How to transfer money from Cash App to bank account. If you use Cash App frequently, surely you have money saved in the application and want to withdraw it to your bank account. In this short, fast and very useful video, we will show you how to make the transfer from the Cash App directly to your bank account. If after watching all this video you feel that we have helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel to see more tutorials like this one. Let's start. The Cash App is a person-to-person payment application, very similar to Venmo, that allows you to send and receive money to family and friends without having to have cash on hand, and that the transfer is made instantly. It's perfect for dividing bills, contributing for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and dividing each person's expenses equally. When someone sends you money in Cash App, that money stays in the app. If you have a Cash App debit card, you can use it to spend your money in any store that accepts Visa card payments. However, if not, it has a Cash App card, you can transfer your money to your bank account. Doing this is very easy and can even be done instantly if necessary. Right now, we will teach you step by step everything you have to do to withdraw the money from your Cash App account directly to your bank account. The first thing you have to do is access your Cash App account. As you can see, this is the home screen of the Cash App application. This is where you write the amount of money you want to send or request from other users of Cash App. But we want to withdraw the money that we have from our account. Then we have to click on this button that we indicate at this time, where the dollar appears and the amount of money we have in the Cash App balance. This is the section called My Cash. On the left side we have the option to add money to our account, and on the right side we have the option to withdraw the money. But to be authorized to perform both actions, we need to have a card and bank account added. Here you can see that I have added my debit card that belongs to my bank account. And down here, you can see the option to add a bank account, which will be very useful to deposit or withdraw money from the Cash App. This that we point out at the moment is used to associate a credit card. You can also use it to add money in Cash App. Now we have to press this button to add our bank account. This is loading. An extensive list of all banks in the United States appears. We have to select the bank where we have an account and follow the process to successfully associate our bank account in Cash App. We go back. Now we click on this option that is used to associate a credit card. Pay close attention to this message. If you are going to deposit money in Cash App with a credit card, you will spend 3% in fees. Our recommendation is that you use a debit card or a bank account to avoid paying extra commissions. How to withdraw my money from Cash App. To withdraw the money you have in Cash App, you must press this button that says Cash Out. Here it shows us that our total available balance is $22. If you want to decrease the withdrawal amount, you just have to slide this circle from left to right until the desired amount appears, but keep in mind that the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Now press this option that says Cash Out. Here it asks us if how we would like to deposit $10 to our bank. Below are the available options. The first is the standard option that takes a day to reach your bank, but it is totally free. The second option is the instant transfer. With this option your money will reach your bank account instantly, but they charge us a small fee for the transaction. Now all you have to do is select the withdrawal method and that's it. Did you like the video? If so, please like this video and subscribe to this channel to see more tutorials just like this one. Thank you.